A Day in My Life as a RadTech Student, Summer Class Edition.
Ay guys, tapos na po yung exam. Oh, hindi ako naka-video kanina kasi na-late kami nag-solve. Nabutan pa ng time. 9:30 start agad yung exam namin. Dalawa lang yung exam namin today and then wala na kami class. Tapos bukas yung major namin. Guys, nagka-crash out na dito kasama ko.
Crash out na kasi guys,
Sabi na ko. So guys, update lang. I'm still doing my activity kasi bukas na yung pasahan. And then, may exam din ako tomorrow, major. And tapos na yung exam namin today, which is 2 subject. And early din natapos, pero nagstay pa rin ako dito kasi maggawa ako activity. Of course, with my friend. Pero, nag-go sila canteen to buy their lunch. So, mag-isa muna ako dito.